How to add hashtags above your title on YouTube from a phone. You may have seen on some YouTube videos that there's hashtags featured above the title of the video. If you're wondering how that happens, we'll show you how you can do it yourself with a few quick easy steps. So first we're going to go and make a new video. And once you get into the details section of your video, this is where the hashtags can come into play. So first you want to enter a title, and then just below that you'll add a description to your video. Once you have your description written out, at the bottom of your description, you can now add hashtags related to your video content. Up to 3 of these hashtags that you include will appear above the title of your video once it's published. Once you have everything complete, you can go back and finish adding the rest of your details for your video. Once they're all entered, click Upload in the top right corner. And your video will then be processed to add to your YouTube channel. Now that our video has been uploaded, we can go back to our channel. And there's the video that we just created, and if we select it, you'll see the 3 hashtags that we included above the title of our video. You'll also see them featured in our description. This process of adding hashtags to your description so that they feature above your title works both on your phone and on your desktop computers. So regardless of how you're uploading the video, this method will still work. And that's how to add YouTube hashtags above your title from your phone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.